Hey guys, match 41. We are on
Hi
match
guys.
41 in IPL, and it is the multiple time champions Mumbai Indians versus CSK. This was supposed to be a blockbuster match. In fact, in the last few seasons, they've met on multiple occasions. Mumbai Indians have had a wood over Chennai Super Kings, but every match has been very important. And somehow I don't know if this match is as important because it seemed from the last match that CSK have given up hopes of getting through to the playoffs, and this will be the first time, as you all know, since IPL started, that they will not make the playoffs. Although theoretically they still have a chance. So let's see. Very interesting matchup. It is Sharjah. We always love Sharjah because we love to see a lot of sixers. We love to see great batting. Of course, even Sharjah is now sort of slowed down. We all know 200 के scores जो बहुत ही regularly पढ़ रहे थे. Now in the last 3-4 matches we haven't seen a 200 का score.
Yeah.
So but even then I think Abu Dhabi और दुबई के मुकाबले अभी भी scores high हैं. So we are in for a cracker of a match. Any opening thoughts, people, before I jump into the questions? Anybody?
I think in every IPL season, this match is to look out for.
Absolutely.
And a lot of times these both teams have been the first match of the IPL also, because a lot of times they've been the runner-up and the winner of the tournament. So it's you are, and CSK did surprises at the start of the tournament by defeating MI in the first match.
Right.
But I think today is when we have our revenge back.
Absolutely. We and I don't need to then tell you guys that who is Mustafa rooting for. the moment he says we, Anuradha, any opening thoughts before I jump into the questions?
I'll keep my voice cracks till then.
All right then, people. Okay, fine. I'll start with you, Dipankar. The first question. और पहला सवाल है team scores के बारे में. How many runs will the team batting first score? आपके पास 3 options हैं. 170 to 180, 180 to 190, or 190 plus. What do you think, Dipankar?
$180 to $190.
I
mean, again, if it's Mumbai Indians, very likely.
If it's CSK, what are you going for?
Yeah, I mean, CSK is either it's Watson, in form, or it's like complete, the collapse. So if it's CSK, it would be 160 to 170 maybe.
Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, I think the trend in Sharjah recently has been 180 to 190. So anyway, Mayuresh, क्या लगता है आपको?
Another Mumbai Indians fan.
I'll go with 180 to 190. If Mumbai is batting, then I'm hoping for 190 plus.
You're hoping for 190 plus. Okay, Anuradha.
Yes.
170 to 180.
Okay, and you think that's going to be a winning total?
I think the defending one will win today.
Okay, so somebody who gets between 170 to 180 should win, according to you. Okay, ठीक है. कृति, क्या लगता है आपको?
170 to 180. Sadly, actually, no. 180 to 190.
We've got 180 to 190.
I got swayed. Yes, I got swayed by my ex-boss.
Got swayed, and then you managed to sway yourself back. Okay, Mustafa.
I think a 180 plus total in Sharjah is defendable. But the thing with Sharjah is that because the size of the ground, nothing is not chaseable, right? Like even 190 is chaseable. So it highly depends on who is batting first, honestly, for the first inning score to be either I think if it's going to be CSK, like Dipankar mentioned, it's going to be 160 to 170. And if it's going to be Mumbai, then definitely between 180 to 190.
Okay. All right. On to second question then. And why don't I start with you, Mustafa?
Yeah.
छक्कों की बात करते हैं. I mean, शारजा में बहुत छक्के पड़े हैं. But if you look at the options of this particular question, so how many sixes will be hit in today's match? That's the question. You've got 3 options: 15 to 17, 18 to 20, and 20 plus. And if you recall, मैंने ये सवाल पहले भी पूछा है शारजा के मैच के लिए, and then the options were much higher as compared to now. And this is clearly a reflection of how even run scoring.
Because Dhoni छक्का नहीं मार रहा है इसके लिए.
Well, he may be hoping for a revival. What do you think? Which option are you going to pick?
I think it's going to be. See, I feel like Mumbai is definitely going to hit more sixers. They just have that firepower with Pandya, Pollard, even De Kock, Rohit Sharma. These are all big hitters, right? 6 hitters.
Yeah.
So I feel like about 18 to 20 should do justice to the match. At least that much should be scored.
ठीक है. All right. Dipankar, क्या लगता है आपको?
15 to 17.
Okay, that's conservative, to be honest, isn't it? I mean, you don't
Yes,
expect
I
CSK.
mean, no, it's see, I mean, it's difficult, right? Yesterday, Manish Pandey
Himself
yeah,
outscored, out hit.
defeated the complete opposition together and by a good margin, right?
Right.
So now, see, the thing is, if you see the low scores also, right, in the past couple of games, you won't see too many sixes there, right? So it doesn't matter the size of the ground is, unless the pitch really favors the batsman. It's a good wicket. It's not easy, even if it's a smaller ground, right?
Okay.
That's the reason the pitches are getting slower. So maybe 15 to 17.
All right. Okay. Mayuresh, what do you feel? क्या लगता है आपको?
I'm going to go with 18 to 20, expecting that Mumbai to hit more number of sixes. And since it's a Sharjah, if it was Dubai or Abu Dhabi, I would have been more conservative. But Sharjah, I think miss hits will also go for 6. Like if a Pollard or a Hardik miss hits, it will go. But I am not sure. Like looking for last 3 matches, the predictions have gone for toss. So I'll go with 18 to 20 still.
But you're still topping. You're still topping on Play CKC, aren't you?
Yes, it's Play CKC I'm topping, but here I'm miserably going wrong in my prediction.
we are trying to simulate the similar predictions here as well. Anuradha, आपको क्या लग रहा है?
15 to 17.
Okay. 15 to 17 to 15 to 17 to 18 to 20. Kriti, are you going to follow the trend, break the trend? What do you think?
I am going to go with 18 to 20.
All right. I think I just hope that
Mayuresh said that I have been going miserably wrong too.
But that's
but
okay.
At the same time, I also really want this to happen.
Sure. That's fine. I'm just saying, if somebody watches this and says, hey, I think somebody like Watson, Dipankar ne jiski baat kahi, he watches this and he says, let me hit 10 to 12 sixes of my own. And he's very much capable of doing that on a small ground. But he hasn't got going except for a couple of matches. So let's see. Hopefully CSK will be hoping for that. Anyway, on to question 3. कृति आपसे शुरुआत करते हैं. MI के टॉप ऑर्डर की बात करते हैं. जो तीनों बैटर्स हैं, you got Quinton de Kock, रोहित शर्मा और सूर्य कुमार यादव, तीनों ने बेहतरीन बैटिंग करी है. Obviously Quinton de Kock बेहतरीन फॉर्म में चल रहे हैं, बट इवन सूर्य कुमार यादव और रोहित शर्मा, उन दोनों ने भी अच्छे 50s मारे, अच्छे स्कोर्स किए हैं. So which MI top order batter will score the most number of runs today? Will it be Quinton de Kock, रोहित शर्मा या सूर्य कुमार यादव? क्या लगता है आपको?
I would say Quinton de Kock. 2 options choose कर सकते हैं क्या? Like either or?
एक ही option. That's the beauty of picking up options.
De Kock.
Quinton de Kock, the safer one. All right, Mustafa.
I think I'm going to go with Rohit Sharma for this match. I think all 3 are amazing batsmen.
Thank you, Mustafa. I wanted to choose the other one.
Because I feel like Rohit Sharma has this thing where 2-3 matches he doesn't perform, and then he comes out and he does it in one match, and then he again goes back to like not doing it. So I feel like पिछले 2-3 match से I've seen him hit the ball very cleanly. Like the drives that he plays, it's very clean. But then unfortunately he misjudges one ball, or there's a lapse of concentration for one ball and he's gone, right?
Yeah.
So today I feel like it could be his match. He could come back.
And typically when Rohit Sharma hits big, that is generally a match-winning knock. That is what he comes up with.
Yeah.
And
he generally hits 70s and 80s. That's the kind of mark that he generally plays with. So I think he could Otherwise, Quinton de Kock to chal nahi wala hai. That is the safest option. But yeah, I think I'm going to go
But you will go with Rohit Sharma. All right, Dipankar.
We'll go with De Kock.
Mhm.
I don't know. I mean, there's a weird logic.
Go
I
ahead.
think CSK might play Tahir today.
Okay.
So, and I hope they play. I mean,
Even I hope for the same.
two world-class leg spinners, Zampa and Tahir, they are not finding a place in the 11. Something is wrong somewhere. I mean, these two are match winners and proven match winners and consistent.
Last year's purple cap holder.
Correct. I mean, can you imagine that guy is not having a game?
Exactly. Imran Tahir has not had
Bravo
a
is
game.
injured.
That's like matlab, unreal totally.
Unreal. Bravo is injured. So if CSK doesn't play him today, he should be out of CSK, and find some other team.
Absolutely.
As
Absolutely.
simple as that.
Totally.
Just for that, it will be easier for De Kock than Rohit, right?
Okay. Yeah. If it's going to be a good leggy, then obviously difficult for Rohit.
That's true. Yeah.
And he's a
Got-
left-hander.
Yes, he is, and De Kock is a left-hander. Yes. Mayuresh, who are you picking?
I'll say I'll go with Rohit Sharma, but I think the add to it is how they play out Chahar is going to be very important.
Sure. Because Chahar is the inform.
Okay, so I think that
Yeah.
I think he dropped out.
I think we lost him.
We lost him. No, I think he wanted to. Oh, he's back.
Yeah.
Mayuresh. Yeah, Mayuresh, go ahead.
yeah,
Yeah, you were saying Rohit Sharma.
but I'm more like, will they play out Chahar spell?
Okay. Yes, I understand. Yeah, they need to see out Chahar. He's one of the best
Yes.
power play bowlers, but so is Trent Bolt. So this would have been this is a tournament. This is one matchup where both the teams have one bowler who's performed very well in the power play. So the openers may not have it easy. All right, Anuradha.
I'll go with De Kock for this one.
Okay.
Even though I want Rohit to score high, but he's been so inconsistent. I mean, I completely agree with Mustafa, and maybe this is the match that where he scores very high. But I'll go with De Kock for sure because he seems a safer option.
Definitely.
Okay. All right. On to question 4. We'll start with you, Anuradha. CSK के seamers की बात करते हैं. They've got some good seamers. I mean, if you look at it, it's their batting which has failed them. Good seamers. Deepak Chahar was performed very well in the power play. Shardul Thakur was bowled very well in the, at the death. You've got Sam Curran, who's been consistent in terms of economy rates. And they now have Josh Hazelwood as well. तो कितने wickets लेंगे CSK के seamers? You've got 3 options, up to 3, 4 to 5, or 5+. What do you think, Anuradha?
Up to 3.
Wow. I mean, either it is either MI is going to have a great day, because actually the seamers have been doing an excellent job for CSK. So wow. Right. Okay. Kriti.
4 to 5.
Okay. I think Mustafa, we've lost you, I believe. Yeah, Mustafa. What's your pick?
I think I'm going to go with what Anuradha said, because I don't think Mumbai is going to lose a lot of wickets.
Okay.
Up to 3.
So up to 3. You guys are one optimistic lot. Dipankar.
4 to 5. On this ground, I think seamers might. I would like to change my answer actually up to 3.
Okay.
But on this ground, if the pitch is getting slower, right? Maybe, and I know it's a small ground, but maybe spinners have more chance of taking wickets unless it moves. I don't know. I mean, and Mumbai is a good batting lineup, right? So up to 3.
Okay. All right. Mayuresh, what is your pick?
I'll go with 4-5. I think normally Chahar is picking up wicket. Hazlewood has been good with the opening spell. And I'll say Thakur. Normally Thakur have performed very well against Mumbai Indians. Even though domestically he plays for Mumbai, but in IPL he has performed very well against Mumbai Indians. So I'm expecting the Seamers to pick up 4-5.
All right. Okay. You meant Deepak Chahar, right? Not Rahul Chahar.
Yeah, Deepak Chahar.
Yeah. All right. Okay. ठीक है. Great then. ऑलराउंडर्स की बात करेंगे. मयूरेश, आपसे शुरुआत करेंगे. किस ऑलराउंडर का सबसे बड़ा इम्पैक्ट रहेगा इस मैच में? We've got some lovely all-rounders, playing today. रविंद्र जडेजा, जिन्होंने ज्यादा बेहतर बैटिंग करी है बॉलिंग के मुकाबले. सैम करन, जिनका बैटिंग फॉर्म थोड़ा सा टेपर ऑफ किया है, बट अभी भी बहुत अच्छे बैटिंग फॉर्म में, बॉलिंग अच्छा कर रहे हैं. एंड देन यू गॉट कृणाल पांड्या, जिन्होंने बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इनका सीरीज रहा है. तो क्या लगता है आपको, किस ऑलराउंडर का ज्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहेगा आज?
I'll go with Kunal Pandya because whenever it was required, he has performed for Mumbai. Even this tournament, maybe his numbers are not very high, but whenever he has come to bat and when Mumbai required, he has delivered. So I'll say compared to other two, I'll go with Kunal Pandya for this one.
All right then, Anuradha.
Yeah, Sam Curran.
Okay. You expect him to come back into form with the bat then?
I do. I think I hope.
All right. Okay. Kriti?
I'm going to go with Anuradha's response here, and not because she's swaying me, but because even I'm hoping for him to come back into form. Sam Curran.
Okay. All right. Okay. And Sam Curran has been one of the revelations for CSK and is one of the only youngsters in the team. I mean, if you look at it that way, and he's been the one performing as well. I mean, so
I feel CSK individual players will be aggressive today.
Okay.
Team bonding is definitely a problem. These guys are not performing as a unit. But I think the individual players will just be like, there's nothing to lose.
There's nothing to lose.
I think individual players will be playing very aggressively today. Doesn't mean they'll win, but
yeah, well, Mustafa.
It's going to be an interesting
Mustafa
match.
is clearly very happy with that response of the last.
Yes, definitely.
Mustafa, what do you think?
I feel like Krunal Pandya has been performing decently, not very well also, but he has had a mixed bag where he's ball economical. He's taken a few wickets when it was really required, and he hit that one inning, right, where he scored 20 runs of just 4 balls.
Yes.
So he's had a good time with the bat also, but not in all matches. I feel like Jadeja as an all-rounder has come out better in the tournament. I feel like Dhoni has just not bowled him enough. I don't think in every match he's bowled his 4 overs.
He hasn't.
But whenever he's been called upon, I've seen him take wickets, ball those quicker ones which spin, come back in and take the wicket when the batsman's trying to cut him or something like that. Bowl the wider Yorkers, sort of a deliveries which you get a catch on covers. So I feel like he's been a good bowler, and in terms of batting, he's just come back to being that old Jadeja that we all know, right? Who comes and has an exclusive innings. Again, in batting also, I feel like he has to be promoted above like Dhoni also, I would say. He's been coming way down, and whenever he's been coming, I see him score a 20 run or a 30 run of a 10 or 15 balls. So I feel like he has to be promoted above the order because of his batting form that he's in. I think he's in a good form. So for as an all-rounder, I think I'll pick Jadeja.
You're picking Jadeja. All right. Okay. Dipankar, who are you picking?
See, all the three will may not get a lot of chance to bat. They are coming down the order, right? And looking at the bowling form, I see Sam Curran is more likely to wickets here on this ground. Jadeja is in good form. Even with the ball, he hasn't been bad in the tournament at all. But it's very easy to hit Jadeja bowling on this ground. He's not the one who gives flight or deceives the batsman in flight, right? And here, if you bowl quicker or flatter,
you can go for
to get hit, right? So for that reason, Krunal Pandya has a mixed bag. I don't know how much again, if you have to compare bowlers, then Curran is most likely to perform better than the three.
He's bowled
And
economically.
I hope Krunal doesn't get to bat, for Mumbai, from a Mumbai Indians perspective. There are a lot of other good batters and it should not come to him.
Yeah, I think, look, it also depends on, so last match he was promoted up the order. It depends on if there are two leggies in the opposition, then, they pushed him up because, you had De Kock batting, then Ishan Kishan got out. And then after Ishan Kishan, it was De Kock. Oh, sorry, it was Krunal Pandya. Sorry. And, because
I think Mumbai always wants to maintain the right and left combination.
No, but in this case, it was lefties
left
because,
because of
the
the
two leg
leg
spinners, exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
And CSK, they do have Jadeja, they do have Piyush Chawla, or I don't know how they will fit in Imran.
Karan Sharma is there. Right?
Karan Sharma is there. So it's quite interesting though, right? I mean, so many teams have two leggies or one leggy and a left arm spinner. Somebody like Ashwin, Ravi Ashwin, is actually a rarity. Had Harbhajan Singh not gone out, if Harbhajan Singh had not gone out, you had two good off spinners. But right now, it's just one great off spinner. I mean a right arm off spinner. But yeah, I think Sam Curran. Coming back to that question, great. He's managed to control the economy very well. Plus, Dhoni has used him as a floater. He's come up the order as well.
Yeah.
So he may get more chances to bat, as you rightly say. So great. All right. Why don't I start the last question with you, Dipankar? And the question is, who will win today's match? And I'm not asking you to pick sides here, which I may ask still. But I'm just asking you to tell me the one chasing or the one defending.
I would say the one defending.
Mm-hmm.
And I hope CSK gets to bat first if they really want to have a chance, right? If they put a big score, they have the bowlers, right from the power play in the middle overs, right? They can put pressure on Mumbai. But if Mumbai Indians bat first, I think they will anyways have their chances even increase multifold.
Yeah.
So anyone who bats first, right? Defending is the
way to go. All right, Mahesh.
I'll go with the moreover this week's trends, which where the teams chasing are winning. So I'll still go with a chasing team rather than a defending team.
Okay. All right. Anuradha.
The one defending.
Mm-hmm. Kriti.
The one defending.
The one defending. Okay. You're not.
See, I'm carrying. I'm rooting for CSK.
Okay.
But you're wearing blue.
You're wearing blue, so this is.
फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
अच्छा, this is the India blue and not the Mumbai Indians blue. Yeah, okay.
नहीं, मतलब point ये है कि ultimately teams तो सारी अपनी ही है.
वो तो ठीक.
जीते कोई भी.
Okay, Mustafa may disagree with that sentiment, by the way. May strongly say CSK is not my team.
Mumbai Indians has the word Indians in it, right?
See, you see? And CSK has the most non-Indian color ever, right? That's an Aussie color. That's an Aussie color they've had, right?
Yes.
Every other team has either some streak of blue or, SRH has, orange, which is a tricolor, hey. But yellow is Aussie. All right, Mustafa.
So I feel like Mumbai Indians is going to be confident in doing any of the above, defending or chasing. I really feel like Mumbai is going to win the match, not just because I'm a fan, because just the way they've been performing in the way CSK. I know last match Mumbai Indians lost, but come on, you cannot blame them for that loss. I think it was just fair that Punjab played well that particular night and they deserve to win. So I'm fine with that. But I still feel like they're in good form. They have the right bowlers, the right all-rounders. But again, here I feel like I'm going to go with chasing. Although I really hope Mumbai bats first so that I can get to see a big total. I really feel like Mumbai bats first, we would see a bigger total than if CSK were to bat first. But I feel like chasing is the most, I think is the easier thing to do on the ground.
All right. Okay. This
He's completely contradicting himself.
This is
Yeah.
Mustafa will find an excuse to make Mumbai win anyway. So I get it.
ये वाला हुआ तो भी मुंबई, वो वाला हुआ तो भी
To be
मुंबई.
Mumbai.
That's fine. I think as
मुस्तफा
long as
मुस्तफा का बस चले तो वो वहां पहुंच के बचाने की कोशिश करेंगे. अरे जीतो.
Believe me, when Mumbai Indians were playing in Mumbai, I would make sure that I was in the stadium for sure.
wow. That's next time,
See?
next year. I
Exactly.
think the IPL may happen in 6 months. The next IPL, if it happens in April, May, so then you and I should catch up and go to one today.
Definitely.
You know, and maybe we'll get Mayuresh also, right? He also stays in Pune,
Yeah.
but he comes to Bombay quite often. So, all right, great. So some
दुआ
fabulous
करें तेरे
predictions, people.
वैक्सीन आ जाए.
आ जाएगा. Predictions were fabulous,
Did you ask
people.
Mayuresh?
Sorry.
Did you ask Mayuresh this question?
Yes. He said the one chasing.
Oh,
Yeah. So people, I think fun predicting, but I've taken up Mustafa's suggestion very, very seriously. So I am evaluating each one of you. So don't worry. There's going to be a video series just before the playoffs where we'll bring out all your predictions. We'll stack it up with the actual results, and we'll see who has performed how well. You know, yeah. Somebody may go into hiding. somebody may come out.
I know what I am
Sorry.
doing.
Swapnil, you have not asked the golden question that who is going to win today.
All right, okay. Let me very quickly.
Mumbai
although I
all the
know,
way.
although I know
think
Mustafa
everybody's
has
gonna
already
say
said
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
you don't have to ask this individually.
so
Just
Mus-
is Mumbai gonna win, and you will see everybody raising their hand.
Yeah, so raise your hands for Mumbai winning, people.
Two hands.
Oh God. Mayuresh also. Okay. Oh, सब तो फिर मैं चेन्नई वाला तो पूछ ही नहीं सकता. मतलब मैं क्या पूछूं?
Chennai has the emotional support, but everybody knows it's going to be Mumbai. who's gonna win.
Exactly. देखो Chennai has emotional support.
I
Yes.
don't think I even have emotional support for Chennai.
Exactly.
Okay, but
ये बात भी ठीक है.
what we certainly hope
ये
for is
बात
a
भी
cracker
ठीक
of a match.
है.
Except for a couple of players, definitely. In fact, individually, everybody.
Sure. No, I'm saying
I'm so happy yesterday to see Warner smile at the end of the game. I have not seen him smile.
he was actually very, very angry when he got out to Archer, and that's very, very understandable because he's been getting out to Archer so much. His last 7 matches, I think he's got out to him every single time or something like that. So it's been crazy what has happened between him and Archer. So he was very upset with that. But thank God, and me and Dipankar, we were discussing in a group. I mean, Manish Pandey played a blinder. I mean, he was almost batting on a different wicket as compared to everybody else in the match. I mean, both sides. He was just batting amazing. It was such an amazing display of batting. We've not seen Manish Pandey play like this for several matches now, right? I mean, it was very heartening for me. I mean, personally, because he is somebody who can, if he's consistent, he is surely an India, limited overs player. One day as well as
That's
T20.
true. That's true.
I mean, can you just imagine coming in hitting 3 consecutive fours?
Exactly.
Archer.
Yeah.
Like, Archer was like, what's going on?
No, he hit him
Archer
off
came in to
Tyagi,
actually
right?
break the partnership or probably stem the run rate or pull a mid. Not a
No, no,
3 boundaries against Tyagi, I think. Tyagi. So 3
no,
boundaries were
Tyagi,
last-
and at the end of the
at the end of
at the end of the
वो उसने मारा था. I think it was Sundar. So Sundar बोल रहा हूँ.
Sorry, that was Vijay Shankar.
विजय
That was
शंकर.
Vijay Shankar.
3
Sorry,
चौके
yeah,
जो मारे
Vijay-
थे वो विजय शंकर ने मारे थे.
Correct.
But शुरू में जो 3 चौके मारे थे, which Manish Pandey came, that was against Tyagi. वो जो Chris Martin का look alike है ना, that guy. So anyway,
I think Vijay Shankar got a nice floater innings to play with Manish Pandey because I think in other conditions I don't see Vijay Shankar scoring a half century.
But
Only
he
in
played well.
yesterday's match I think it happened
Yeah.
because of the support that Manish Pandey
Manish
was.
Pandey. But Manish
doing
Pandey
and
was
he-
exceptional yesterday. Exceptional
So,
yesterday.
He
So
didn't
we
have to
hope,
do much work.
yeah,
Vijay
but we hope for a better match today. We hope for a
Yes.
similar match like Mumbai Indians had with KXIP, rather than the last 2-3 days where we've had like one-sided
One-sided matches, yeah.
All right.
But I think the other point here is CSK are going to play without a fear because I think they doesn't have anything to lose now, and
that's
I
what
think
Anuradha was
that
also mentioning. Yeah.
would be critical for today's match.
Let's hope so. Totally hope so. Okay, experts, great having you here as always. Thank you so much for the predictions, and we'll see how it all goes. And people, play on Play CKZ. It's great fun. It's more fun than fantasy. All right. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.